Hello friends, welcome to Shonab Sir classes. Today we will discuss about the GATE 2018 paper. This is the physics paper. Here, this is question number 1. So, let's solve this question. The eigenvalues of a Hermitian matrix are all is what? So, if we consider a matrix A, suppose this is P A minus B, this is suppose A plus IB, this is suppose A minus IB, and this is Q. Let this A is equals to this. So, A bar can be written as this P, as here is I, so this is A minus IB, and here this is A plus IB, and this is Q. This is the A bar. So, if we take transpose of this A bar, if we take the transpose of A bar transpose is equal to P A plus IB. This P A plus IB is here, and there is A minus IB and Q. Here the change in this row and column. Transpose means the row is in, this row is in column and the column is in row. So, this is an Hermitian matrix of A. This is the A Hermitian matrix. So, firstly we take any matrix A and take the A bar of this matrix. There is a complex number, this I. So, we can write this A plus IB as A minus IB, as there is a complex number, and here is also A plus IB, this is here is A minus IB. So, we take the transpose, so P A plus IB and A minus IB Q. This equals to Hermitian matrix of A. Here for the Hermitian matrix, all the eigenvalues are real numbers. For the Hermitian matrix, if we take this eigenvalues of this Hermitian matrix, so we consider the eigenvalue equation. This is P minus lambda A plus IB, here A minus IB into Q minus lambda. This equals to 0. So, for eigenvalue equation, we can write from this, here this is P minus lambda into Q minus lambda minus, here this is A plus IB into A minus IB, here A plus IB into A minus IB. This equals to 0. So, now we can write this, here we take this P plus P minus lambda into Q minus lambda is equals to this A plus IB into A minus IB. This means A minus IB plus into A plus IB. This is the A plus B, A minus B. So, this equals to A square minus B square. So, this equals to A square. Here this equals to A square minus I square means, here this is I square means minus 1. So, A square plus B square, as this I square equals to minus 1. So, here this P minus lambda into q minus lambda. So this is pq minus q lambda minus p lambda plus lambda square is equals to a square plus b square. Now this lambda square minus p lambda, this is minus p lambda minus q lambda is equals to a square plus b square minus pq. So we can write here, this lambda square minus lambda into p plus q, this equals to a square plus b square minus pq. So here this lambda square minus lambda into p plus q minus a square plus b square minus pq is equals to 0. So we have here, all the values are real. Here we see all the values are real. So the eigenvalues of a Hermitian matrix are all real. So option is A. Here the eigenvalues of a Hermitian matrix are real numbers. So option A is correct. So if you have any question regarding this sum, so you can contact us or WhatsApp us in this number. This is 98367 93076, and you can WhatsApp us also in this number. This is 98367 93076. So that's all for today.